Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. This is a Portuguese one, so let's show you how to do it. First of all, you have to go on your Instagram account, of course, and then you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And now you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from here you have to go to viral to new 2022 March at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go to new 2022 March at highlight. It's this one. Now you have to tap until you find a desired sticker. Sorry. There we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can choose some photos with you in the summer. So here you have to add, and they say last day of summer, you have to post one memory. So go to your upload, choose one photo or more. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then post your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll have this first story. You're not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.